Hi friends, this is Praveen Shukla here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I would like to brief you people with something called as affiliate marketing. The reason of introduction of this affiliate marketing is because these days we have been actually dealing with the financial crisis at every walk because of the economic set down which has happened due to COVID-19 pandemic that we are witnessing here. So I suppose it is very important for us to understand what exactly can be the means and the methods with the help of which we can keep earning despite of our jobs and everything going down these days. As you might be knowing, there are many people who have been laid off because of the current situation of what COVID actually is providing you, and there are few more things which are on way. There are few more operations which are on way, and they all are towards failure, not because of their generic nature but simply because of the COVID situation, right? So many of the industry things have been very badly affected, many of the people have been very badly affected, many of the sectors are well beyond what you can ever think are being adversely affected too. So now it is important for the people like us to start finding out some routes, some methods, some techniques with the help of which we can have some passive income going on, because it is very important that your income is on so as to maintain your self confidence and the success story and success ratio in your life. So by looking at various set of opportunities, there are a lot of things which I have been working around, and with respect to all my researches and things, I've come out with various options. Okay, so in some or other video, maybe after this or somewhere around that, in my other YouTube links, you would be finding all the options being briefed up together. But for now, for today, I would like to brief you people with the affiliate marketing thing. Okay, there are many options, out of which affiliate marketing is one way to generate a passive income, right? To start with this, as you people might not have noticed, but you all are into the stream of affiliate marketing. You all are clients for the people who are into affiliate marketing all the time. Sir, how come? Have you ever bought a mobile phone? Yes or no? Right? You have bought the mobile phone at least once in your life. Nowadays, it is very normal. But yes, that is the case. Correct? Yes. So before buying mobile phone, when you just have an idea of buying a particular phone, what question do you ask? The first question, the very first question that you ask is, which phone should be bought off? Which company should be preferred? Which model should be preferred? Yes. And then what do you do? What do you do? You do some Google search, you do some YouTube search, you do something on internet, right? And with the help of that focus arena, what exactly happens is you come up with certain videos, you come up with certain blogs, you come up with certain writings, correct? And they all give you an insight regarding various phones. Then you go and compare those phones up and then buy the phone. Yes or no? While doing this research, I'm asking one question from you. Have you seen the videos of those people who are all the time comparing two phones? They will compare, say, Note Plus, yeah, I will say Samsung Note 10 Plus, whatever the series may be, with some or other variant, say iPhone 11. They will just compare it up. Yes or no? Right? They'll compare M31 Samsung M31 with some MI product, or maybe with some other product, whatever they want to. If you want to buy a tablet, they will compare two tablets, Samsung tablet and the Lenovo tablet. They do this, right? Why do they do all these things? Do you know why do they do all these things? Because for doing this over the period of time, when you accumulate a number of set of audience with yourself, with time going by, with this huge accumulation of the audience base, you get money for every word that you speak. Yes. The mobile companies approach you because you have got very huge fan following. You have got whole many number of subscribers with yourself. So they will start approaching you. They will start paying you money. There would be other ways to do that. Okay. So they do this because they're getting money for this. Now this money can be earned in multiple ways. I'm not going to get into all those things in this video, but yes, obviously in the coming videos, if you people really like it, or if you people really want it, just tell me into the comment section. I will tell you what exactly is the mechanism that these people devise in order to have those earnings on. Many people might be knowing, but I'll give you the better insight into the deeper sense. That is my promise from my part. Okay, let me move towards one part of these entire systems that they follow to create money. One part is affiliate marketing. Okay, sir, exactly how? How? The point is like this. If you see the ad of, if you see the ad of Samsung Galaxy M31 on YouTube, if not add the informative video, okay, suppose if I've got a channel, I'm just promoting that particular substance. Now, if you see my video, you understand the features of that phone. I'll compare that phone with other phones into the market, and then we'll tell you that M31 is showing these many number of features. It is better if you buy this, if you buy that, if you buy this, if you buy that. These all options you are going to get in this particular price range. You'll get that particular kind of product. So what I'll do is I'll create the gravity. I'll create a marketing ambience in your brain. I'll create a marketing ambience in your brain by doing all those comparisons. And when once it is being done, you will be buying the product as per your understanding. But my work is done, right? Okay. Then into the description, after I complete my video up, into the description, I will give a link. That link will be an Amazon link. That will be a Flipkart link. Then that can be any e-commerce site link. And I will tell you in that particular, suppose if I'm making the video, I'll tell you, please go and buy the phone that you want from my link. You will get 2%, 5%, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees cashback. Now what will you do? You click on the link, go to Amazon site, you will buy the product at the same cost. If you go by yourself on Amazon, or if you go by clicking on that link on the Amazon, the price that you will have to pay is going to be absolutely same. There is no difference on your part. You will have the same experience. But if you click on my link and go to Amazon site, and from there you buy the product, after you buy the product, whatever is the amount that Amazon has gotten to deal with yourself on the invoice or anything, they are going to provide me some commission. They're going to provide me some commission. This is called as referral commission. And this process is called as affiliate marketing. Right? I'll make this video once, upload it on YouTube. People will see this video every time they want to buy a phone. Correct? So I will have multiple number of audiences coming to my video, looking at my information. And if I can add value to their information, they will prefer buying the phone from my link. Why? Because I'm providing them value, plus I'm providing them extra cash back. Yes or no? If that happens to be the case, what is it that I have done? I have simply made the video, nothing more. I have made the video, got my link on the description, and that's all. Right? Yes, and that too once. After that, once that video is live on YouTube, every person who will be visiting my video will be my prospect. And if he clicks on that link and goes and buys the product, he is my valuable customer. I have not done any sales pitch. I have not done any selling work. I have not done any damn thing like this. Right? What I have done is I have provided an information that has added value to the customer's requirement. Getting it? Yes, correct. And I get the commission for every sale that is being done from my link. Yes, no? Correct. This is called as affiliate marketing. Beautiful. Yes, correct. This is a very fantastic way of earning online income passively. You can generate whole lot of passive base of income. Yes, sitting at home, you can work really well to get the income already pooling into your bank account. It is possible, believe me. In the coming videos, I will be telling you certain techniques, certain methods, certain ways of how you can start with the affiliate marketing. Right? You require to have a very good research and understanding before you start with it. You can actually start as such also. You can start away and learn from your experiences. There's nothing wrong into it, and you will be done with that. There is no problem. But the concern is it that you will be given, yeah, you will be getting that kind of success right away? No, obviously you'll have to work hard. You'll have to learn techniques. You'll have to do all those things, and then only you can be benefited by these kind of methods. Okay, right? You have two options. Either you open your account straight away, do mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and then upgrade yourself, become successful. You can be. Success is everybody's property, right? If you work hard, that's all. There is one more way. You learn from the mistakes of those people who are already the expert of this, right? Life is too short, so you cannot afford to do all the mistakes. Mistakes are a great thing. They teach you lesson, but you cannot afford to do all the mistakes in order to learn the lessons. So what is the best way? The best way is learn from the mistakes of those who are successful. Correct? Yes? Okay. So I'll be sharing certain set of strategies with you people related to affiliate marketing soon, which I have learned through techniques of mine and through techniques of other experts who are already the success masters of this industry. Right? Yes. And maybe in the coming next 2-3 videos, if you want, basically you will comment it, or you can message me. You can do whatever you want to. My WhatsApp number is already given here in this video. You can see that over here. Yes. So what you can do is you can just drop me the message like what all topics you want me to take. Right? I'll make the video on that and post it and support you people on the way. Right? So happy success, happy learning. See you all in the next video. That's all about affiliate marketing for this session.